Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be solving this interesting Olympiad mathematics question. Now this is this 4 now. I'm going to change it to 2 raised to the power of 2. So I'll write 2 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power square root. 27 is same thing as 9 times 3. Then all multiply by what? X over the square root of 16, which is what? 4. Minus 2 raised to the power of the square root of 3x all over the square root of 4 is what? 2, all equal to 60. Now our next step will be to say that this 2 raised to the power 2, I'll write it again, 2 raised to the power 2. Then this is 9, the square root of 9 is 3, so I'm going to say take the 3 outside, so here will become 3 root 3 times x, that will give us 3x all over 4 minus 2 raised to the power of square root of 3x all over 2 all equal to 60. Then now the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this 2 to multiply the 1 over 4 that is here. So when 2 multiply 1 over 4, we have what? 1 over 2. So we say 2 raised to the power of the square root of 3x all over 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 3x all over 2 all equal to 60. Now, and we know we have a 3 here. This 3, I'll put it here. So my next step now would be to take this power. This 3 is multiplying the square root of 3x all over 2. So I'm going to take this square root of 3x all over 2 inside. Just leave only the 3 outside. So I'm going to write this expression here as 2 raised to the power of 3x all over 2 all raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3x over 2 all equal to 60. So my next step now will be to say that I'm going to say that let 2 raised to the power of square root of 3x all over 2 be equal to y. So this expression now is equal to y. Therefore, this is y and this is y. So we are going to have something like this. Here will now become y raised to the power of 3 minus y equal to 60. Now I'm going to rearrange this to get a cubic equation. Now on rearranging, I will get something like this. Y raised to the power of 3 minus y minus 60 all equal to 0. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to subtract 64 from both sides of this equation. So now I'm going to write y raised to the power of 3 minus 64 minus y minus 60 equal to 0 minus 64, which is same thing as what? Minus 64. Then now we say y raised to the power 3, we write it again. Then 64 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power of 3 minus y minus 60. Then minus 64, I'll take it inside and now become what? Plus 64. All equal to 0. Now I'm going to apply the difference of 2 cube algebraic identity for this expression here now. So after applying it, I got y minus 4, then y squared plus 4y plus 16 minus y. Then minus 60 plus 64 is going to give me plus 4. then all equal to 0. So I apply the difference of two cube algebraic identity here to get this. So that means this expression here now is the same thing as this. Then minus 60, this minus y, now look at it here, minus 60 plus 64 will give me plus 4. Then the next thing I did again now, I'll say open a bracket, y minus 4, then y square plus 4y plus 16. Then this is now going to become minus open bracket y minus 4 all equal to 0. Now this changed to minus because minus multiplied by minus is what? Plus. And now next step is to what? Factorize. So I'm going to factorize. Y minus 4 is common here and it's also common here. So right, y minus 4 open bracket y square plus 4y plus 16 minus y all equal to 0. Then again, I will say y minus 4 open bracket y square plus 4y plus 16 minus 1 will give us what? 15. Close bracket, all equal to 0. We continue. Then from here now, I can simply say that y minus 4 is equal to 0, or y square plus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, in the question, we are told to find the real root of the equation. So, I'm going to consider only this, because if I consider this, I'm going to get a complex number, an imaginary solution for y. So I'm considering only this. So from here now, I can simply say that y is equal to 4. Then our next step will be to recall 2 raised to the power of 3x all over 2. We said that it's equals to y, right? Then now, from here, I can say that 2 raised to the power of 3x all over 2 will be equal to y, and y is what? 4. So here will be 4. Then next step, 2 raised to the power of square root of 3x all over 2 will be equal to, now this is 4, yeah, 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2. Now from here now, they have the same base, so the base will cancel out, so we say this will divide this. Now we're now left with the powers. So the powers now, we say square root of 3x all over 2, this power will be equal to this power, so equal to 2. Now the next thing now will be to cross multiply, that is this 2 will multiply 2 here, so we have the square root of 3x will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2, that's what? 4. Then from here now, I'm going to take the square of both sides to remove this square root sign. So when I take the square of both sides, this square root sign was what? Eliminated, and I got 3x is equal to 4 square. And we know that 3x now, 4 square means 4 times 4, that's what? 16. Then from here, x will be equal to 16 all over 3. So this is my solution to this question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.